Hey guys, so in this video I will explain you how you can change language in LabVIEW. So you don't have any other options like that you uninstall the current version and reinstall the version in your desired language. Now from the download the installer for the specific language you want from the new download page. You can install different language version on the same PC if they have different bitness. So if you install LabVIEW 32-bit in Japanese, you can install LabVIEW 64-bit in English version. So this is how you can have different languages for the LabVIEW. So yeah, if you want to change it now that you have already installed the LabVIEW, then you need sadly to uninstall it and then install it again. And as I mentioned, you will change this language while between installing process. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next